Alrighty guys, here we go. Just want to share with you a quick video of something we just did to this Chevy Cobalt. We installed the Wolf Box dash camera, the G40S Viper alarm system, model number 3105V, one-way security system, and you also need the direct DB3 module for this setup here. So this alarm comes with the kill switch, shock sensor, flashing LED lights, power door locks, door triggers, everything that you need an alarm. And then this is a dash camera. Let me show you guys really quick how it all works out. So you got the Wolf Box right there. This is a dash camera that has front view and rear view, and it records just in case you get in an accident. That's going to help you out a whole lot. Let me just show you guys a little quick video on how it looks here. So you guys know I make these videos for you guys so that way you can see the product that's coming out or that's been out and how it works out. So this is a really good model. It's got the rear view and it's adjustable, which is pretty neat. Side by side, front, rear, or wait a minute, that's this side. I'm sorry, this is front view. You can also adjust it, pretty neat. And then this is side by side, so rear and front. Also, when you put your car in reverse, it'll automatically turn on. It's got a GPS antenna for, I'm not too sure, but it's got a lot of functions. Viper alarm, like I mentioned. It's got flashing lights. Once you hit that unlock, turns on your headlights. Hit the lock. Your lights work. It's got a flashing LED light to indicate that it is armed, so stay away from me. It's got a shock sensor. That's just a warning chirp. If it does go off, you know, it's gonna go off. If somebody breaks your glass or really hits the car hard, that's what the shock sensor is. It feels any kind of vibration or movement. And it is an adjustable sensor, so if you like it a little bit more sensitive or less sensitive, you can go ahead and do so. I'm just going to demonstrate real quick how the kill switch works and the door triggers. So the door triggers, if somebody opens this door, there's door triggers on the door. It's going to detect it and your alarm is going to automatically go off. It's going to activate that kill switch. Your lights are gonna go off. Siren's gonna sound off. Oh, the rear view camera is right here. I'm gonna try to start the vehicle. Clutch is all the way in. It will not crank over because of the alarm and the kill switch that we put on it as well. So starts up nicely once you disarm it with your remote. So it's pretty neat. Two nice features to have on your vehicle, guys. Let us know if you guys need something done like this. We'll be more than happy to help you guys out here at Dee's Garage. Thank you guys for watching. Much love. And yeah, hit me up if you need any work. Got you covered.